I have the choices and the resources. The only thing I have to do is to completely remove the debilitating stress about myself. I need to clear that lens. I need to be able to see the real color that is me. I now see the beauty in and potential in me, and what I see in myself is what I can see in everybody around me. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I first need to identify where I have picked that stress. All this debilitating stress that I have picked up that has prevented me from seeing my true potential and my color. I need to first identify where this has come from. I need to see it for what it really is without judging it. Once I can see that, I now have the choice to completely diffuse that stress, just throw it out of my system completely, and replace that with the abundance of possibilities that exist in the universe, the abundance of possibilities and potential, realistic potential that is within me and within the universe.